In this video, I am going to show you how to display data in DataGrid view using C# Windows application. So first, create a application, create a project, and go to the data and select DataGrid view. Drag and drop. So first, add a dependency for SQL Server. So import using system.data.sql client. So select from here, right. Now create a connection for with SQL Server and create a variables, integrated security, catalog name, that's your database name and your server name and your username and password, and create a connection string. So pass your integrated security and your database name here and your data source and username and password. You can set your connection timeout. So connection dot timeout, right. Now create a SQL. First create a connection string. Now create a connection. So using SQL connection and your connection name here. Object is SQL connect is equal new SQL connection. Now open your SQL connection. Now create SQL command. So using SQL command and keep the object name SQL command SQL connect. This is our connection, SQL connect dot create command. Now and SQL command dot create command, and here is your command tags. Command tags is the query. So write the command tags. So write here command tags. So our command tags is SQL command is dot command tags is equal select from dbo.item. This is our table name, and item ID, item name, cat ID, item text and rate, item unit are the column name. Now create a data adapter. SQL data adapter and keep the adapter name DADTL. New SQL data adapter and pass here our command tags and our connection. Now create a data set and fill the data adapter with data set. So create a data set DSDTL new data set and DADTL our data adapter dot fill DSDTL. Now create data columns and type of primary key column is new data column and column ID 1, index 1. Now primary key column 0 and DSDTL. This is our data set dot table 0 dot column item ID. This column will be primary key columns and auto increment is equal true. Now set this for data grid view data source. So dot data source ds dtl dot tables 0. Tables 0. Now you can set any columns auto size mode. So you can set this column item name auto size mode. So data grid view 1 dot columns and pass the column name here and dot auto size is equal auto size mode dot fill. You can choose any here fill. So you can any property, choose any property. Now run the application. So our data is displaying on the grid. So thank you for watching this video.